Default text will come to this step-by-step guide on creating an amazing split screen effect using CapCut. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use masks, keyframes, and green screens to design stunning background visuals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, this guide will help you take your video editing skills to the next level. Let's get started. Create the background video. Combine mask with keyframes. Edit the first green screen. Go to the Mask tab of the video and select Rectangle Mask. Adjust the following parameters: position, X equals 0, Y equals 350, size, width equals 1850, height equals 320. Create the second green screen. In the Mask tab, select Rectangle Mask. Adjust the following parameters: position, X equals 0, Y equals 0, size, width equals 1850, height equals 320. Create the third green screen. In the Mask tab, select Rectangle Mask. Adjust the following parameters: position, X equals 0, Y equals 350, size, width equals 1850, height equals 320. Add motion to the green screens using keyframes. Green screen 1 keyframes. On the timeline, place 2 keyframes, the first at the starting second, the second at 1 second and 10 frames. For the first keyframe, go to Rectangle Mask, select keyframe size. Green screen 2 keyframes. On the timeline, place 2 keyframes, the first at the starting second, the second at 1 second. For the first keyframe, go to Rectangle Mask size, width equals 1, height equals 320. Green screen 3 keyframes. On the timeline, place 2 keyframes, the first at the starting second, the second at 1 second and 10 frames. Simultaneously adjust the first keyframe for both green screens 1 and 3 with Rectangle Mask size, width equals 1, height equals 320. Preview and export the background video. Combine media. Add the main video and the background video via the Media tab. Use free platforms like Pixabay or Pexels for footage, or choose directly from the CapCut library. Arrange the videos. Align the main video with the background video. Remove the green screen. Go to the Remove BG tab, select Chroma key. Use the color picker tool to remove the green screen. Enhance the effect. In the Basic tab, reduce opacity to 70%. Add final touches, add sound effects, music, and export the final video. Congratulations! You've successfully created a stunning split screen effect with a dynamic background. With these techniques, you can add a professional touch to your projects and captivate your audience. Don't forget to explore more creative possibilities in CapCut and share your amazing creations. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.